In this video, I want to show you how to lower the back seats of your Mercedes B Class. So the first thing we need to find, we simply need to put the seat cushion in a vertical way. So put your fingers over here and simply pull on them. There's no lock, there's nothing retaining them. Okay, your front seat needs to be to give a bit more space if it's like that, because this won't be able to go completely up. All right, so once you've done this, we can now go over here. On each corner of these seats there is a lever. Here we go, this lever, and bring down the seat. If your headrest is in the way, you can tuck it in. There's a button here, sorry. And now you're gonna have a lot more space by doing this. Do the same thing on the other side, and once you're done, simply bring back the backrest. If it's the color red over here, it means it's unlocked, so you really need to push it until it disappears. Bring the seat cushion and you're good to drive. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment down below.